when you, as an Englishman, found the love for reggae, out of ska into rock steady, the turn of the 70s, and then the reggae popped in. Rory has a plan. So we're gonna run this together, and Rory as the young boy, gotta come with some young stuff. This is a nasty dance. Fabo, I hope you're recording this stuff. Your first one, Roddy, back in the day.
Every Rodigan, strong on ya, oh, gonna play forever, Lord no, strong on ya, hey, you just ring me along. Tick-a-tick-a-tock, Rodigan play non-stop, oh, tick-a-tick-a-tock, tick-a-tick-a-tock, Roddy play non-stop, whoa, hey. Straight from London to New York City, Rodigan clash with Barry. David Rodigan, strong on ya. Hey. Gonna play forever. Lord no. Hey. Strong on ya.
Toronto.
Hey. You just ring me along.
Oh, hey, hey, hey.
Tick-a-tick-a-tock, Rodigan play non-stop. Oh,
hey.
Tick-a-tick-a-tock, tick-a-tick-a-tock, hey. Play non-stop. Whoa. Hey. Straight from London to New York City, Rodigan clash with Barry G.
Massive! This is how we used to run it. Rodigan from England, Barry G from Jamaica. If he draws a tenor song.
Rodigan played tenor song, Barry G and Rodigan. And then my good short friend play Ring the Alarm. Well, I'm not going to play no tenor song. Me, I'm going to play the man who teach tenor song how to sing.
Ayaga yaga yagin, ayaga yaga yo.
Toronto!
Good morning, sound boy. Long time sound love reach ya.
Boy, it's getting sticky now. As me quint me eye, Rory I draw a card upon me. Here the card I dropping.
Then a request from the depths of my heart, Shabba to David Rodigan. Humongous request from the depths of my heart, Shabba. Send out just Rodigan. Top on top, higher level. Real reggae rebel. Blaze up people. Bust up all the dog them. Keep them shine on. Stop play. It a whistle in a dance hall sound. Why panic? The whole of them diminish. Come now.
Toronto!
Let a play some why get panic.
Rory!
People love the music. Rodigan and sell it.
Rory!
Don't let a play some why get panic. People love the music. Rodigan and sell it. You is a bad boy. Here is a water dog.
Pull up! Why?
I have a problem. I have a problem. Can I find a Shabba? I don't know what Rory's gonna come with next. Now, I can't play no Shabba girls tune. Him drop, shine up your what? My selection.
Through my daughter look like Shabba, who now pick palm with Shabba ranking. Toronto, I shall not play any Shabba ranking tonight. I'm going to play you the person who teach all those DJs how to DJ. Daddy, you right.
Stop the baby. Now some boys stop you running up and down and don't take stone love from the down clown, you know? Stick around, don't be no clown, they can see what you're down. Yeah. Baby. Yeah, but stop the baby. Some say, stone love just a place, so hey, I'm a baby. Well then, me say the killing of the one, so love I kill you when done.
Alright, it's all about the 1-1, Mr. Rodigan.
You at Beckford, DJ teacher, the daddy. But if ever you, Roy, was the daddy, here's the son.
Well, it's some little guy come down when I'm fronted, bolted, sighted, columned, vibrant, man can't say that. Rodigan the kid on every boy was still out about 21 or 41. Back on the water, test that. We them want to ram it up. And Mr. Rodigan them want to rip it up. And all the Blanca style and them pick it up. From in a London town and we them touch it up. When Mr. Rodin on the place and them a brush it up. Mr. Rodin on the place and figure rip it up. Say dan da da dan da dan da da dan da da dan da da. All them say Rodigan a dan da da. No boy no go test and Mr. Rodigan fall off of the angel come fi fan him with the eagle's feather. A boy try something then we a go turn it over.